just were looking at the window and we saw it just laying there.
You were looking at the window and you saw a bird that had fallen.
Yeah.
Well, actually, it was brought to my attention by Mr. Berger, one of our math teachers, who was on campus and was heading down to a meeting. He ran upstairs and told me there was something I should probably look at. About that time, the students noticed it as well and became concerned, and we immediately notified the city as well as our district personnel to come on out, and they were able to assist with the capturing of the bird to make sure that it was able to be taken to a wonderful facility to be put back together.
So after I got the phone call from Polk, I came out to assess the situation. Noticed the bird was sitting there along the door, injured, kind of hobbling around, couldn't really fly. Tried to contain the bird the best I could. Contacted the city to have them come out and help us kind of capture it and relocate it, which once they were called and the bird was actually captured, it was transferred to the Blackland Prairie Rescue Center, where they came in contact, or where I came in contact with them and helped rehabilitate the bird.
So we get a phone call that there's a bird that's down, it's been found on the ground. It can't fly, it's got some kind of injury. And next thing we know, actually, we have it getting brought to us. And it comes into our facility and we have a clinic. It's just designed to take care of injured birds of prey. So we're talking everything from little owls up to bald eagles. And this bird comes in and it's in pretty bad shape. It's obviously flown into something, we couldn't say what. It had quite the head trauma from it. And so our rehabilitation manager, Liz Dunn, went into action giving it a head trauma protocol to see what could be done for it after she gave it a full exam. And this bird has been going through the whole process through our intensive care unit. And when it got through that and was eating properly and was obviously slowly getting over this head trauma, it was transferred into a large flight cage so it could get a chance to fly and actually practice hunting again. December 11th, 49 days this bird has been taken care of from day one to the point of getting released. And we might get patients that are can be rehabbed very quickly and others that can take even longer. Just depends on how bad the trauma is.
Right. Did we name the bird?
You know, we don't name the patients that come in because we keep, obviously keeping them wild. We have quite a few of them. But what's really cool is the school gave the bird a name because obviously we're at Ted Polk Middle here. And what name did we come up with? Ted. So today, after all the help that has been done to get this bird to this point, Ted is getting released back into the wild. We'll see which option Ted decides to take in this whole process, right?
Okay. Now we're safe, right?
You're safe.
Okay.
Oh, I'm ready anytime you are. And he may sit there quietly or he may go nuts.
That's a perfect flight.
It's not the birds you saw, is it? That's exactly. You saw he had good flight, good strong flight. He's like, I'm getting away from you guys.
It's like he's going to keep watch over us. We can't watch over him now. Look at him up there.
That's exactly right.
I'm going to watch over Ted Polk.
All the time we'll be up there. Down the highest tree, too.
Yes.
Look at that. Highest point right there. Now he's going to hang out and go, yep, I'm back where I belong. Thank you guys.
Welcome home, Ted.
All of you. Welcome home, Ted. That's exactly what it is.
Job well done. Right?
Job very well done to you guys.
Woohoo!